Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete your transaction history on the Lloyds app. First, open the Lloyds Bank app and log in securely. Then clear the app cache and data. In Android, go to Settings and Apps, then Lloyds. Next, go to Storage and clear cache data. In iOS, you can uninstall and reinstall the app. Disable transaction notifications in app settings to reduce visibility. Then, use online banking to filter or hide transactions temporarily. Request data deletion under GDPR via Lloyds support. Next, hide the account via Manage Accounts in Settings. Reset app preferences to default. Contact Lloyds support via chat or phone for further assistance. Note that Lloyds retains transaction records for 7+ years for legal compliance. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.